It's a blood sample, and they drew the blood, and they put it into culture, and they need to grow the cells, so the cells start dividing. And then they stop the cells dividing. And when they stop, you get these chromosomes. You can see them. And all this is DNA. This is the human genome. The entire human genome you're looking at. This one individual. There's 2 X chromosomes, which would make it a female, right? But it's got a Y as well. Say it again?
So is it like a guy?
It's 2X and a Y. Okay? Now here's the way it looks under the microscope. Here's a chromosome 1, here's a chromosome 3.
Oh yeah, I will.
And you know them because there's a specific light and dark banding pattern for each chromosome that's unique. Okay? And
yes, I know.
see, we have a Y chromosome in this individual. And let's see, here's a chromosome 21. Let's here's a 22.
If you click down below, it'll match them up for you, won't it?
Here's the Y chromosome. See, it's kind of like a long rod. We know that genes are on the X because it's the way it's inherited, okay? The male gets one. Anything that's on the X, the male gets. It's going to show because he only has one X chromosome.
Okay.
You did. You did.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what was the question?
The question was, do they know, for example, that the number 2 chromosome is for...
So we knew for a while that like my color blindness is on this part of the X chromosome, the genes.
Oh, they know that. Okay.
Yeah, you can't see the individual genes.
And they're learning more and more all the time.
What about like the number 17 chromosome, for example? Those pairs, do they know what specifically is tied to number 17? Or there's got to be a few things that are tied to that particular.
Yes, there's various syndromes.
You get 322s for Down?
I'm sorry, 321.
321s means you're going to have Down syndrome, or does it just mean you're more likely? It means you've got it.
If you have an extra what?
Okay.
Chromosome 21.
Extra chromosome.
And that's why it's called trisomy 21.
That's like more popular.
It's another name. You know, if you get a child that doesn't look normal, the pediatrician will say, this looks like it might be a chromosome problem. And so they will draw the blood and send it to this laboratory, and we will diagnose it.
To see if it really...
Percent of all births have a major birth defect. 3% are major. Now, what would be a major birth defect? The most common one is heart defects.
What do they do with they draw the cells? Say that again, Dad?
They have the samples that has the blood cells in them, and they put the cells in this red fluid. We call that culture fluid. Okay? And then they take these flasks and put them in the incubator, and that grows the cells so they divide so you can get chromosomes.